tired of being broke? Tired of trying to make ends meet? Today is the day that your life is going to change. If you follow these simple, easy tips, your life will change. YouTube is a game changer, and now is the time to start it. Don't put it off for tomorrow. Don't make up excuses. Stop doubting yourself. Stop letting fear stop you. Stop comparing yourself. Just do it. When it comes to doing YouTube, it can be very discouraging, especially when you're looking at big content creators. But how do you think they got where they got? They had to start somewhere. They just started. The first tip that I want to give you that has helped me is just do it. Don't put too much to it. If this is something that you feel that you want to do, you don't need to worry about a camera. You don't need to worry about all the high-tech tools and all the cameras and all that. All you need is a phone. Everybody has a phone in 2024, and I'm pretty sure everybody will have one in 2025. You have a phone that has a camera on it, plug it up, make sure it's charged, and get ready. That's the first step. The second step is to just be yourself, be authentic, talk about something that you feel is gonna bring value to the people that's watching you. Don't think too much about the lighting. Don't think too much about your outfit. Don't think too much about your look. It's your message. It's your realness. It's your authenticity. So whatever it is that you may be dealing with, that's what people want to see. People want to watch your videos and they want to get something from it. They want to learn. They don't want to just look at success stories. That makes us all feel bad, especially if you're not in that same predicament. I want to see where you started from and where you're going. That's what makes people really want to respect you and keep coming back to your videos. You can be a mom, you can be a college student, be into fitness, cooking, whatever it is that you feel is something that makes you feel good. Stick to that niche. Find that niche and just start posting your videos. Don't worry about having an editor. Don't even worry about how to edit. Just upload your videos. Get there, the more consistent you are. Which brings me to my second tip. Be consistent. Rome was not built in a day. You can't just start something and stop and expect to see results. You got to just get up and keep going. Keep pushing. Even if you don't see the results and see the views that you want to see, you need to be your biggest fan, your biggest supporter. Show up for your own self every day. Even when you don't feel like you can do it. Consistency builds a habit, which means it'll become second nature and you will just be uploading and uploading and uploading. The more you upload, the more consistent you'll be, the more people is going to see your face. And once they see your face cannot be forgotten. The next step is planning. Plan what days you feel like is going to work for you. We all have a different life, different story, different schedule. You may not be able to post every single day. Try to set a routine for yourself where you're doing maybe Mondays and Wednesdays, or just Fridays and Saturdays, or just Sundays. But I feel like 2 to 3 videos each week will really help people get to know you, and YouTube will get to push you out in the algorithm because you're consistently posting. Another thing, market yourself. I know it sounds repetitive. I know it can be annoying. Something that I struggled with when I first started doing YouTube, marketing myself and sharing my videos all over social media. There's platforms everywhere all over, so there's no reason why people are not checking for your videos, seeing your face or anything like that. When there's Instagram, there's TikTok, there's so many different social media apps you can promote yourself. So once you're done uploading this video to YouTube right now, then you share it to Instagram, you share it to TikTok, you share it in your community post, because that way you are your own biggest fan. You don't need a team, you don't need management, nothing. All you need is yourself. I'll tell you something, YouTube allowed me to be able to quit my 9 to 5 and pay my bills. And now at this point in time, what YouTube is doing is they're pushing out small content creators now, like right now. So don't wait till tomorrow. Don't hesitate. Don't have doubt. Just do it when you're done watching this video, because the small creators are shining, are coming up. They're getting those big W's, okay? They're taking the small channels, they're pushing them out more into the algorithm, and that is allowing the small content creators to grow and everybody to eat, because there's money for everybody. People don't really want to tell you and give you what's tea, but I'm somebody who wants everybody to win, because I know what it's like to struggle. I know what it's like to try to find a dollar. It's like to just be in survival mode, and I got tired of that. When you have kids and you have responsibilities, it's not easy. Life is not easy, and life comes with a lot of expenses, and if you don't have those expenses to cover, you can drown. You can lose a lot of things. You can end up in situations and predicaments that you never saw yourself being in. But I'm telling you right now, today is the day that you don't need to stress anymore. Today is the day that you don't have to worry about where this money is going to come. Focus on yourself. Give yourself grace. Give yourself enough confidence to know that you can do this. Any situation can turn itself around, but you have to be ready to do that. You have to say to yourself, I'm tired of this situation. I'm tired of not being able to do A, B, C, and D, and I want to make a change. The change is now. Don't wait another day to put it off. Don't procrastinate. Procrastination could be the biggest downfall in a lot of people. They put it off for the next day, but tomorrow's not promised to anybody, so why not do it today? You woke up today, you have air in your lungs, and you have a phone in your pocket or wherever it is. Turn it on, make sure it's charged, and just start uploading. That's all there is to it. There is no right or wrong way to do it. Talk about whatever it is that you want to talk about, but I'm here to tell you that YouTube will change your life if you are serious about it. You want to make sure that you're giving value. We all have watched different channels and different creators just to get an idea of whatever it is. There's always somebody that sparks your attention when you're scrolling through YouTube, whether it be their title, whether it be their thumbnail, or whether it just be their overall personality. You want to make sure that you remember what it is and why you like those channels. So you're filming and you are talking on this camera, make sure that somebody can take something from what it is that you're talking about. Pretend to be somebody that you're not. Don't pretend to have more than what you don't, because that's not being real. People can feel that. People can feel the energy. I only gravitate to realness. Real recognize real, and that's just my thing. So talk about your struggle. So be it. Because there's somebody, I promise you, out there who can relate right now to the same predicament, being a single mother with a child and not figuring out how you're going, trying to figure out where you're going to get the next bottle of formula or diapers from. And then you have and then you have fathers who are full-time fathers trying to make it, and just a hard day in America, being a man in America, struggling. Tired of working these jobs that pay just a little to nothing, and you're never really making ends meet. There's so many different things that we can talk about, because life is not easy, and there's no reason why you can't pick up the camera and talk about something. We all have a story, we all have a battle, and we have wins and we have losses, but we always get through it. The great part about it, everything is temporary, and your life doesn't need to stay like this. So if you are struggling right now, if you feel like you don't have a purpose for this new year coming in, this is what you have. I just gave you the tea. I just gave you the answers to all your issues. If you are ready, willing to accept this, and really want to do something about your life and change your circumstances, start right now. What's stopping you? You are stopping you. You getting in the way of those thoughts. You comparing yourself to other people. You being afraid of change. You being afraid to step out. And there's another thing that I want to tell you. Not comfortable showing your face, you can do faceless videos where you just behind the camera and they can just hear your voice. So what's the excuse now? There's money to be made everywhere, and you can get it now. Now is the time. People are going up. I've watched small content creators start with 1,000. I've seen them have 1,000 subscribers, but their views are through the roof. And baby, when the views go up, that money goes up. I remember when I first started YouTube, I knew nothing of what to do. I didn't have a guideline. I didn't have a template. I had nobody. I just knew that this was something that I wanted to do, and I wanted to be able to help people, and I wanted to document my natural hair journey. So that's when I started. I picked up the camera and I was like, this is going to be crazy. African-American woman, hair was everything to me. I felt like without my hair, I was nobody, and I was just like, you know what? I want to help other women who feel like me, but I also want to take care of my natural hair. I want to know how my hair can grow. This is something that I feel like we all struggle with. Where I took off at, that had helped me just document me doing a big chop. Randomly just cutting my hair off, and then I show my whole journey from the big chop. Now my hair is all the way to my waist. People want to see the transition. People really like to basically walk with you in your journey, because it'll help so many people, push so many people. So remember, when you're posting, most people just want to see before and after, right? They don't want to just see, want to see the ending, because there's no, where's the meat and the potatoes? I want to know how you got that. You driving a Benz, you living in a mansion right now. How did you get there? What did you do? Where did you start from? You also have the tutorials, the how-to, how to style your hair, how to cook a certain meal. Those are the videos that do really good, because a lot of people don't really know certain things. So all you got to do is go on YouTube and type in da-da-da-da, and you have a video. Guarantee you there's a video for everything that you're looking for. Am I wrong? You can go on YouTube right now and search da-da-da-da-da, how to, da-da-da-da, how to this, how to that. You're going to find a video. Push yourself. Don't worry about all the extra particulars of what other people have going on and what they're doing or how their channel looks and all those crazy edits and all that. To me, I feel like that's a distraction. Be yourself. Show up for yourself and just speak your truth, and people will respect you more than you will ever know. And your life can change by just being transparent. In a week, in a month, okay? When I first started YouTube, I was getting $0. I didn't even know I was capable of getting money. I felt like I started a little late, you know what I mean? But it's never too late. Better late than never. And then when I started, I just wanted to help people. And then when I knew that helping people could turn into money and it could help me survive and live, being that I was a mother with children and I was already struggling, then I already knew this is it, and I have to hold on to it. I've had several jobs. I've had good jobs. I've had shitty jobs. This is one job that I really hold in high regard. I don't ever see myself letting YouTube go unless YouTube crashes, because YouTube has changed my life. There's no gatekeeping over here. A lot of people ask me, how do you do YouTube? I don't understand it. Like, how do you get to that level? Consistency. It's like anything that you want to do. You want to buy a car, you want to buy new sneakers, you want to get that girl, you want to get that guy. You're going to be very consistent until you get what you want. Once you get what you want, that's not it. You have to just keep going, because as quick as you made that money is as quick as you can lose it, because YouTube basically goes off of views and watch time. So start your channel, figure out what your channel is going to be about. We're going to give an overview. To just be your name, let it be your government name. Whatever, that's fine. Have at least 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers to follow you, right? Then you need 4,000 watch times in a course of 12 months, but it doesn't have to be just on one video. It can be like several videos. So like I said, pushing videos out every other day, those views are gonna start adding up. Before you know it, you already hit that, and you're gonna get that message that says, hey, look, you're gonna get monetized. That right there should push you and propel you to be like, oh, it's up. The money's coming. Have another job, that's cool. Like, this will be another source of income for you. That could be the money to get your hair done. That could be the money to take your kids out. It's money. These views turn into real money, and I don't understand why people play with their potential when there's no reason why you're not doing it. There's money for all of us to eat. The pot is big enough for everybody's hand to reach into it, especially when it comes to the social media stuff. No reason why you're not making no money. And it doesn't matter if you're making $10 when you first get monetized, it's $10 more than you had yesterday. Every little win is a success for me. I had one video that made over 24,000. It was an 8-minute video, hair video. I got the receipts to show you guys. When I tell you I started with $0, 0 subscribers, I just kept going. I have some videos that's in the millions, some videos that's 500,000, and then I have some videos that haven't even hit like 3K. It all depends on how you title your videos, right, and how consistent you are. Don't let that stop you because one video doesn't do good. I don't care if you just get 5 views. Those 5 views are 5 people, and that's better than having no people. One person that watches you and likes you and gives a thumbs up, a like, you're already getting somewhere. Somebody that's like, you know what, I see you. That means keep going. The money's gonna come. The money is gonna come. I'm telling you, I can show you guys receipts. I made 20 bands off of one video. 30,000, 10,000. I mean, I was seeing more money coming in a month than I've seen in a regular 9-to-5 job. And I've had decent jobs. I've worked in the medical field. I've worked for the post office, and I wasn't seeing none of that. Busting my behind, slaving. You hear me? Slaving every single day. Going to a place where I didn't really want to be at, but now I'm able to live and do things freely in the comfort of my own home. You don't gotta go out and talk to nobody. You can record in your house off your phone and make some money. YouTube is doing that for me, for you. Don't play with it. Come on. I just gave you all. With this type of game, tunnel vision. It's okay to look at other videos to get ideas and other creators to see how they doing it, but you want to do a little twist and have your own way of how you do it. Be yourself. And just keep going. YouTube is literally making it so easy for everybody. It's a free platform. All you need to do is have a phone. Today is the day for you to get it right before the new year even starts. Like, make that your resolution. Manifest it. This year, 2025, we will not be broke. We will not be struggling. We're not going to be living paycheck to paycheck no more. The money is going to be flowing abundantly. We're going to be able to eat. We're going to be able to have them seafood boils. We're able to buy your kids what you want. Those college books is already covered. School tuition is already paid for. You have to speak it into existence and believe it. But once you believe it, then you have to act on it. You can think 1,000 things all throughout the day. We can say we're going to do this and we're going to do that. Are you really applying yourself? You have to literally put that one foot in front of the other and make it do what it do. Nobody is going to stop you but you. Making it easy. 2025, I want to see so many of you guys. If you are a small content creator, comment down below small content creator and comment down below your channel. I'll subscribe right now. YouTube should be like a place of community, a place of togetherness. Everybody's trying to do the same thing. We all have the same end goal. We want to be able to be successful. You have to really want to do it. You have to teach somebody something, right? We all have knowledge on something. So there's not one thing that you can say, well, I'm not really good at anything. There's something that you know that I don't know, that I can learn from you. So there's no excuse. They know how to knit and I'm just like, my blankets are ripping apart. Oh God, how to knit a blanket, how to fix a blanket. Right there, that's your craft. You're a hell of a knitter. All good at something. And some people don't even know what their talent is. You have a talent. Just pick up the camera and just start freestyling. Even if you don't think it's good, just think of something that you want to talk about. I don't care what it is, but just do it. Do it for 8 to 10 minutes and play it back and see how you feel. And just keep on doing it. Upload it. Don't even think too much about it, because when you think too hard about it and too much about it, then you start critiquing. You get discouraged and you want to delete it. Don't do it. Once you do the video and you've done, be proud of yourself, because you're already on your road to success right there. You're already one step closer to getting the money that you want. You're already one step closer to being financially free. I went from being on Section 8, living in crazy apartments where there was slumlords, figuring out how I'm going to feed my kids, figuring out how I'm going to get the diapers, figuring out how I'm going to pay all of this. My money was so funny. So many dark places where I didn't know where I was going to get out of. I'm telling you, y'all. Your life can change. I went from making zero money to making thousands of dollars. So let this be your testimony. Start documenting your journey right now. And if you tell me that you can't use no extra coins, then you capping. start 2025 off strong. It has been one hell of a year for me. I'm pretty sure you have went through your battles and your trials and your tribulations, but we made it. We made it to see another year. The new year is going to start off fresh with a positive mindset. We got goals, and if nobody's trying to do what we're doing, then leave them in 2024. That's it. That's all.
Simply myself.